Greetings, students. This is Professor DeFrance. This is in regards to English Composition 2. This is a little breakdown of our first essay. So the first essay is not really an essay, so that's kind of nice, right? It is an annotated bibliography. You likely have written one before. I mean, it's possible that this may be your first time doing it, and that's fine. These are really quite simple. Basically, the whole idea of the annotated bibliography is to evaluate your sources, or to, like, say, in a brief paragraph, evaluate your sources and put that evaluation in addition to, like, a works cited page. So you have you've all written papers, you know the works cited page is, so let's start there, right? It's a works cited page, and after each entry, you have like those here. I'll bring up this my sample, and that of course is helpful too. So like after each entry, like the works cited entry, you have a paragraph about that entry where you go into detail and evaluate the source. That's basically it in a nutshell. For this assignment, we're going to do 10. So that's the thing to keep in mind. We're doing 10. 10. So 10, and not 5, not 4, 10. You get marked off if you're not getting 10. And that's really it. That's makes this assignment honestly very simple. I don't mean to grade, but to complete. I mean, you're prepping research for the whole course. That's what this is. The topic that you're going to choose is the one you're going to write about for the entire course. And at this stage in the game, you want to gather reliable and very good information. And that's what you're doing here. So you're going to gather 10 sources on a complex issue. What you're eventually going to be writing about is how, I don't know if I really talk about it in here, but let me talk about it right now. Basically, if you look at say essay 2, for example, it kind of goes and revolves around this issue throughout the whole class. Is we're going to look at how these different groups or organizations are related and work together, essentially. Variations on that. So that's how, like, say, for example, 1 and 2 tie together. You want to have information in your annotated bibliography. You want to have sources that you can draw upon to, say, write essay 2. So, kind of as weird as it sounds, I would look at the essay 2 prompt, because what you're doing is you're basically setting up the course, right? So you have to choose 10 sources on a complex topic of your choice. This is what you're going to be writing on throughout the whole course. I would maybe take a look at just, say take a look at the beginning of the prompt for essay 2 and see what I did there. So it gives you some idea about like some of the directions in which you might want to go. But keep that in mind, right? So these 5 groups, you want to have, say, information about these groups in your annotated bibliography here in essay 1. Ideally, that's going to help make things easier. All right, and then to go into the annotation itself, and this is basically like when you're looking at the sample, like say you're looking at a sample annotated bibliography, that's what goes in this paragraph. What goes in this paragraph are these things. And I break this down in one of the videos. Sorry, I have a lot of them. I don't mean to be cavalier in my description. Let's see. Ethos. I break it down in the essay writing lecture. So if you're looking for a big, like a breakdown of this whole thing, look in the essay writing lecture. It's right there. All right, so that should help you get started here on essay one. Again, we're just writing an annotated bibliography of 10 sources, but remember this is the topic that you're going to be writing about for the whole course. So you do want to be very you know, careful and choose an interesting topic.